Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship today, you are in a good place. Maybe in your work um, you have everything you need, maybe the people you need, and you're working in a positive way, doing your best, trying to do your best. But there may be people you trusted before, but today they have changed or they are changing because of something. Maybe their vision may be different from yours, or they want to do things in a different way. So they are not willing to listen to you or your ideas. So if you make some decisions relying on such people, you must be careful, Libra. So it may be in your work circumstances. You must understand whom you should trust today. So there are people you cannot trust. So that may be the case even in this relationship. Maybe you feel that this person is a very loving, caring, and a loyal person, trustworthy, and you would have felt a great intimacy with this person and you would have had a level of understanding with them. But today something is changing. Maybe they are seeing success in their work and they are changing so much, or it may be your energy, you're seeing success in your life, in your career, and it is changing you, it is influencing you to change. So you want a better person, or your expectations are too high, and that may be the reason you are um, what to say trying to, you are expecting more in this relationship or expecting something so different, and you feel that this person is not matching your vision or your dreams, and you are trying to avoid them. And maybe for some of you, it may be this person's energy towards you. They are thinking about someone else. They have their heart and mind set on someone else. So this person is interested in someone else now, and that may be the reason they are trying to avoid you or trying to distance from you. And it may be quite painful for you, Libras, but if this person does not consider you as someone worth fighting for, what is the use of this relationship? So they are not thinking of you as the person they love. They are, thinking of this love as some opportunity, and they are after someone else now. So you must stay away from this person if this is the energy here with you, you must avoid this person. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is Four of Swords in reverse. So maybe for some of you, if you make a careful decision today, maybe there may be some changes. If you can, what to say, be really wise today, you are going to avoid yourself in some difficulty. Maybe you are going to avoid yourself a lot of pain and sadness. So even before this person telling you to move away, it is better you move away, Libras, if they are interested in someone else. So these cards are telling us something really negative, guys, Libras. So maybe you, even if this is not the case in your life today, maybe you must be really careful about something. If you are deciding on something in your relationship, maybe even marriage or commitment, whatever it may be, you must think twice before you step into it, Libras. So that is what I would say with these cards. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card and it is Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your career circumstance also, you cannot rely on anyone. You cannot trust anyone. You must make your own choices, decide for yourself, and do your work yourself instead of believing someone. So that is the energy here, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us, that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? That is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship, and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship. And when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today, that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co-create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.